Keep on scrolling, wish that you were coming. See, baby, I love you still. With you is all I feel. Baby, I love you still. Hold me close and love me still.
Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a clothing haul video. I haven't done a humongous clothing haul video in such a long time. I did some brutal shopping on my own and I spent a lot of money on a new wardrobe that I do not need. This is so unnecessary, but I thought I needed to get some new spring pieces, and honestly senioritis got to me and I just went shopping after school a couple times and this is what happened. Yeah, all my mental and emotional stress just gets poured into clothes and then my bank account suffers instead of me. So I kind of want to start off with some boring stuff. I bought a lot of new pairs of pants. I don't know why, but I don't have any light white colored jeans. So I bought a couple different pairs. I have two right here. The first pair of jeans I have to share with you guys were actually sent to me by a company called A-List. They sent me these Madewell jeans that I have been eyeing for the longest time. Madewell is super expensive. I'm pretty sure these jeans are $128, which I would never spend on denim because I'm always looking for a coupon and always looking to see if it's at TJ Maxx. But since they asked, I was like, these please, because these are straight fitted white jeans, which I literally can never find. I can always find skinnies. So when I saw these, I had to get them, and they're just white straight jeans. But I also got these other pair from Topshop, I'm pretty sure. These are the Topshop Jamie jeans. Are they? Yeah. These are the Topshop Moto Jamie jeans, and these are the white ones. No distressing, these are just normal white high-waisted jeans, and I love Topshop jeans, so I got a white pair just to add to my closet. I have more pairs of pants I've bought recently, and yes, I have a problem. I have a bit of a problem. So this pair right here are also another pair of Jamie jeans from Topshop. These were on sale for $35 and they're originally $75. They are skinny, which I don't really wear, but it's good to have one dark wash pair because when I wear like big sweaters or sweatshirts or something, I'm not a big leggings person, so jeggings or skinny jeans are a must, and I have like very few pairs in my collection, and this is a new one that fits me a lot better than my others, so I quite enjoy this, and I love the brown/orange stitching. I think it just adds a nice touch to the pair of jeans, so I have these. I also found a pair of frame denim at a local TJ Maxx, which I was super happy to find because frame denim can range from $130 to like $200 and something on Revolve, and I've always looked at them, and I heard Chriselle Lim talking about them, and I'm like, well, I don't have that kind of money. So when I saw these at TJ Maxx, I had to pick them up. They're kind of like this smoky gray color, and they also have these really cool slits at the bottom. As you can see, like they kind of just like open. It's kind of weird, but I actually love them so much, and they fit so nice. They're so comfortable. They're the type of skinny that doesn't make me look skinny, so I quite enjoy that because my legs are like sticks, and I hate it when jeans are like so tight that they just look like lines, and I look sickly, so I'm not trying to do that. And got these for like $80, which is great compared to the original price of like, I think it's like $180, something like that. I picked this up on a whim because I felt like buying a new pair of jeans, and these are just like the perfect light blue wash, and they have the raw hem at the bottom, which I love. Right here, they're high-waisted and straight, which I'm a huge fan of, and these fit me so well. I love these. The color is amazing, and I love this wash for the springtime because I can wear my light billowy tops with it and tuck it in, and I just think they look amazing. The next pair I have here are some Abercrombie jeans, and I absolutely love Abercrombie jeans. They've always fit me the best when I was growing up because they carried smaller sizes. These are the Simone jeans, I'm pretty sure. These are just high-rise ankle jeans. So I got these for like $39, whatever that is, doubled, that was the original price, and I love them. They're just ripped jeans. I needed a new pair of kind of relaxed distressed jeans. They also have a raw hem, which I like. Next up, I have a pair of corduroy pants, which I've been looking for because I do have maybe 1 or 2 other pairs, but they just don't look right. But when I found these at H&M, I just had to get them. These were $30, which I think is a steal for a pair of pants like this. They are just light beige corduroy pants, and they have the raw hem, which I was so stoked over. I always see corduroy pants without the raw hem, and I mean, like, it's cute, but I love raw hems, and it's a straight fit, so it doesn't make me look too skinny, it's not too fitted. And the next pair of jeans is another pair of Madewell jeans that I got from A-List. They sent these over, which I was thrilled about because these are originally like $130, which I would never pay, but Madewell jeans feel great. Look at this little cute little stitching of the heart. I think it's just a really cute pair of jeans. It also has like distressing behind the pocket, but it's not like you can see through it. It's kind of just like a fake distressed area, and these just fit very relaxed and comfy. I don't know if you guys are tired of me showing a bunch of pants, but I bought a lot of pants. Like, I just love pants. So we have these from Crybaby, and they have a little elastic band in the back, which is super nice and comfortable. These are just straight fitted dress pants. I keep on saying and I'm so sorry, but these just have a beige houndstooth pattern with a little bit of blue and red in them, if you can see, which I think is super cute with the details. I also bought another pair of my favorites from Zara. I found them again in this slightly plaid stripe pattern. I quite enjoy it, and I love the little ruffles on the pockets, so I just bought another pair. I love these. These are like $40 at Zara. So we have here a nice new trench coat from Loft that I also got from the A-List. They were so sweet to send this because I love trench coats. These kind of have like a puffy sleeve on them, and this is like the perfect length for me, and I got this in a size small. Fits me really well, and I love how the buttons can be exposed when you open it, but then they hide when you close it because the closures are in the inside of the jacket. So yeah, I love this beige color. It literally makes me look like a mom when I wear it, but I enjoy the look, so I'm here for it, and you should be too. Next, I have 2 new teddy coats. I love my teddy coats, and I got this cropped one from Crybaby. It has tortoise looking buttons, and it's a really nice beige creamy color. It's really cropped, and it has cinched in sleeves. I love this one. It's perfect for all my high-waisted outfits, and it's really nice. I love this jacket. It's not too hot either. I also got this one from H&M. It's slightly longer than the other one, but it's a lot softer. I love it, and it has a zip closure. I got this on sale for $40. This was originally maybe like $80 on the tag, but I got this in the clearance section at H&M, and I absolutely love it. I love this color. My other coat that I have in this color is a longer one, and I love it, but I wanted the cropped version as well. And next up, we have a couple of hoodies. I love my hoodies, and I bought some new ones recently. I just needed a plain black hoodie. I don't have one. I have one with a graphic on it, but I just wanted one for layering. So this is it. Super simple from H&M. They always sell these in the men's section for like $24, so definitely go there if you're looking for a nice high quality and super soft hoodie. I love them. I have 2 other ones in different colors, and I just thought I needed to add the black one to my closet. I bought this new yellow one, which I already have a yellow hoodie, but this one is super soft. I got this from Topshop in the Nordstrom near me, and I absolutely love this. I got it on sale for $27-ish. It was originally $45, and I was contemplating on buying it when it was full price because it is so soft. It's not like super thick, but it's warm and so soft. Perfect loungewear. And I also recently bought another hoodie from Topshop. This one is a slightly different material. It's like a normal hoodie. This was $45. The original price of a hoodie from Topshop was $45. So I picked it up because the lime green neon trend is super popping right now all over Instagram, and I thought I needed to try it out somehow, and I thought this was a basic kind of intro to that. It's not too bright, and I love the color green on me. So with sweaters, I can wear it by itself on a nice chilly day, and I love sweaters. So I got a couple from different stores. The first one here I actually posted on Instagram the other day, and this is from Topshop. I love this sweater. It has black and white stripes on the sleeves and a little bit of yellow stitching, as well as a bit of yellow on the collar right here. I love this sweater. It's super cozy and really oversized, which which I love, and I thought it was super cute for the spring and transition from winter to springtime. So yeah, I also bought 2 new sweaters from Zara here. They are the same sweater, but I bought one in a neon turquoise color, which I thought was amazing. This is a beautiful seafoam green turquoise color that I love. I can wear this with like a leather jacket, some black jeans, or flip-flop it with white, and I think it just looks perfect for the springtime to show a little bit of color. I bought it in white the other day as well, and I love this. I got this in a size medium for the green one just so I can have it oversized, but I did want to get the one in white as a small for it to be more fitted. I love this one. It's like a pure white sweater, which I don't really own. Most of my sweaters are cream colored, and I thought this was so nice. Now I know the next top isn't really a sweater, but it's a long sleeve, so I thought I'd include it in this section. This is a cropped long puffy sleeve top from a brand called Mimi Chica. I got this from Nordstrom on sale for $17, and it has a bit of ruffling at the top. I thought this was perfect for a transition piece from winter to spring. And then I have this cardigan from Crybaby, which is super cute. I've been seeing the trend where you wear like a cardigan, cropped cardigan, but buttoned all the way up as a top, and I think it's super cute, quite like this top as well. I mean, I like everything I showed you. I spent my money on it, didn't I? God, Lisa, why are you saying so much? And lastly, I have just a simple off-shoulder top from Abercrombie. This is just beige and ribbed, and it has kind of like this tortoise button detailing on it. It's just a really basic top. I would just wear this with high-waisted jeans in the summertime and throw on some sneakers like I do with every single outfit, and it looks cute. So yeah, that's it. Next up, we have my favorite category for spring clothing pieces. I love blouses, cute little tops. I think the springtime is like the best time to wear these kind of shirts. You could wear it all year round, but like the spring is like its time. So the first top here I got is this white eyelet blouse from Princess Polly, but it's from the brand Lioness. I got this in a size extra small. It's a little big on me, but I don't care. I think it's super cute. It has like these buttons in the front. It has puffy sleeves a little bit, and it also has a sweetheart neckline right here. The next top I have here is a kind of, I think you call this like a peasant style blouse. I don't know what it's actually called, but it has like this ruching at the top right here, and also kind of like puffy sleeves with a little cinching right here. And I think this is such a cute top from Zara. I got this in the clearance section for like 10 bucks, which is a steal because I think originally this top was like $40. Next up, I have another Zara top that I got on clearance. I also got this for $10, and this is in the size extra small. It has like the little dot detailing on it, if you can see. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it has like the dot detailing on it. It has some ruffles on the short sleeves and a little bit of this like dot fabric beading. Is it beading? It's not beading. It's just like a little bit of a detail on the collar, which I think is really cute. I would wear this with jeans, of course, and sneakers like I do every single top in this friggin' haul, but you can also tuck it into skirts and make it look super freaking cute. So really like this top. Then we have another one of these like cute little scoopy neck blouses. I got this one from Crybaby, and it's very cinchy in the middle section right here, and you can tie the sleeves. I think this top is super adorable. I wore this in my Valentine's Day get ready with me, I think. I'm pretty sure, and you guys really liked the top. So it's from Crybaby. I love it, and I will link everything down below, of course. Next, I have the same top in 2 different colors. This is the poplin top from Zara. I only know that because I listed it on one of my lists for Dote, but I got this in a size extra small, which fits me perfectly, and I got it in white and this lime neon green color. I love the white. I wore this in an Instagram photo literally yesterday, and I love it. It has some like stretch in the back, so it's really easy to put on and wear. I just freaking love this top, so I had to also get it in green. I tried it on. It's a little different and out of my comfort zone, but I think it's perfect to try the neon trend, so I got it. Next up, I have a kind of Henley, is this a Henley? Henley tank top? I don't know, but it has like the Henley buttons. I don't know my terms, okay? But this is from Abercrombie. I got this for like $10 because it was on sale, and it's just like a really basic tank to wear with, again, jeans and cute shoes. Wow, what a surprise, Lisa. I know, you want to wear jeans with everything, which I should because I have friggin' 30 pairs, so. And then I have here a bralette top type of thing from Zara. So I always see the lace bodysuits from like online Instagram stores and everything like that, and I love them, but your girl is tiny chest wise as well. I am literally a AAA cup. Like, if you're saying you are the president of the itty bitty titty community when you're a size A or B or something, like, I'm a AAA. I'm a AAA. That's a battery, not a boob size. I'm sorry, I'm like being mean. But I think I win the title at this moment, and I just can't wear things that have built-in cups because I will not fill it out. So that's a bit sad for me. But when I found this top from Zara, I can wear like a black bralette or just a simple black bra with this, and I can just tuck this into a pair of jeans and make it look super cute. I love this top. They have it in white and red as well, which I might want to buy the red, but I thought the black was really fun and classic. I know it's like super see-through as you can see on camera, but if you wear like the black bra with it, it just looks great. I love the lace detailing on it, and I've always wanted to try that trend. Next up, I have a couple of dresses I want to share with you guys. The first one here is a really cute slip dress from Zara. It's polka dotted with black lace, and I know it looks like pajamas and everything. Pajamas as fashion is great and very in. So I picked this up. It has some slits on the sides right here on both sides, and I think it's adorable. You can layer this with a black t-shirt in the inside, or just wear like a jacket with it. You can wear heels with this, sneakers with it, and just really dress it up or down however you would like. So, and again, I have another kind of square neck piece right here, but this one is a nice little mini dress. I love this. It's a satin white material, and you can tie the sleeves, which I think is really cute. It's just a really nice mini dress, which it's just perfect for the spring. I have no other words for it besides cute, so we're gonna leave it at that. It's from Crybaby. I got it in a size extra small. And the last clothing piece I have to share with you guys is this really cute polka dotted dress from Madewell. This is a size extra small. It has those button detailings that I really like, and I have been obsessed with recently. The sleeves right here are a little see-through, and I think it's a beautiful burnt orange and terracotta color for the springtime. I would totally wear this with like white pointed heels and make it look super cute and classy. Yeah, this is not like a lot of the other pieces I shared with you guys, but I thought this was adorable. I love the color. And lastly, I have a couple belts I want to share with you guys. I got them all from Princess Polly, and I've been really into belts recently. These are all chain belts. I have here a little short one. I actually broke this, I'm pretty sure, so the other half of it is laying on my dresser, I'm pretty sure. I just have to put it back together, but it basically wraps around, like the other strap just wraps around here, and it's a really cute just chain. I also have another gold kind of chain belt thing. It has this really cool symbol on the belt, and I think it's really cute. It's thinner than the bigger chain, and it's perfect again with jeans and skirts and dresses. So, and then lastly, I bit in to buying a rhinestone belt. I got this off of Princess Polly. I love it. It's so glitzy and embellished. I love it. You can just leave like the end extra anyway, and just leave it down when you wear a dress or jeans. I think it looks so cool. I love it. I had to get it, and I saw so many of my favorite Instagram style babes just wearing it, and I was like, okay, I'll do it. I'll buy it. Thanks.
Hello, this is Editing Lisa, and I look like this. I'm so sorry, but basically what I am doing here is unboxing my new Louis Vuitton key holder. I filmed this part talking, but I lost it, so I thought I needed to include it to hit the price tag that I put in the title. So basically that's it. Anyway, continue on. This is not to brag. I literally bought it when I was stressed, so don't kill me. Peace.
Yeah, that is all for today's winter to spring clothing haul for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. A lot of you guys have been asking for a collective big clothing haul like the ones I used to do, and I quite enjoyed filming this one, so stay tuned for more. I will also be trying to style these pieces maybe on a YouTube video or an Instagram video. I'm not quite sure yet, but I do want to share with you guys a couple outfit videos and things like that to transition from winter to spring. Oh my god. That just scared me. Especially if you live in a climate where it's kind of like bipolar weather, like here. I sometimes have 70-degree days, and then it goes back down to 40, so we have to be prepared for that with layers and things like that. So if you guys want to watch a winter to spring outfits video for more chilly weather, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on all of my other social medias to stay updated on what I'm doing and to request videos. I always ask you guys in Instagram polls and question little things to let me know what you guys want next. And yeah, I will listen to you guys and try to see you guys every single week, hopefully. And yeah, that is all for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, beauties! Whew. I am so tired. And by the way, my room is like a mess. I know it looks clean right now, but the floors are insane. So, yep, it's a lie. It's all a freaking lie.